skirt. By the way, guys, I just want to tell you where we got her little outfit from. We got this skirt from Target.
They got it for Christmas for me.
Yeah, we got it from Target, guys. This is the cutest thing that I've ever seen. Like, I absolutely love this skirt. I wish they had it in a skirt for me. And then this getup we got from Walmart. With the belt, came from Walmart, and her tights came from Walmart as well. And now she's about to go get her shoes on. Do you want to wear your silver shoes or do you want to wear your gold boots?
Silver shoes.
Get your silver shoes, child. Now let me put some spritz on you. And today she's wearing Paris Hilton, you guys. So you know she got to go to school smelling good, looking good, feeling good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited about this new playlist, the natural hair playlist. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about putting my girls in there and just showing you guys some hairstyles that I've been doing with them and with my hairstyles. All three of us is going on the hair journey together. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, and give my girl Michaela some love. You guys, she is so cute. She looks so awesome going to school. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.